Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you will learn the basic shapes that are mostly used in AutoCAD. Line. We already know the definition of line. Shortest path between 2 points on a drawing is called line. In AutoCAD, line is the most useful command. Polyline. It has unique properties as compared to the line in AutoCAD. Polygon. Polygon is used to make beautiful designs and it has a limited number of edges. Circle. To activate circle command in AutoCAD, just press C and hit enter. Rectangle and square. Rectangle and square both can be drawn with the same key on the keyboard. Finally, Eclipse. The elliptical path can be drawn by L command on the keyboard. For more amazing videos, please stay with us.